WordPress offers extensive WordPress themes for making wonderful websites, and you can make any category website using WordPress themes. And if you are looking for a specific WordPress themes like auto parts, then also WordPress is there for you, and you can make a wonderful website using the available themes and features at WordPress. In this video, we are going to make a website specifically for auto parts and vehicle accessories, you can say, and this is being a demo website for the auto parts, and it is of course an e-commerce website. So if you are in plan for making a website for auto parts, this is very a specific category of course, and it is a wonderful experience for me for recording this video, because this is a great website, and this website is using Chromium WordPress theme. So in this video we are going to install Chromium WordPress theme, and this is specifically for auto parts, shop, WordPress and WooCommerce theme. So Chromium is auto parts, shop, WordPress, WooCommerce theme. And if we talk more about the Chromium WordPress theme, it has been developed by themes.zone, and they are Power Elite authors. The Chromium is an elegant, modern and powerful automotive WordPress theme aimed primarily at sites that sell automobile accessories online. And this is very important that auto accessories are now available online, and e-commerce also helping in such categories. And this theme was originally developed by the themes.zone in 2018, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. So it has been chosen to be on this channel, and I am happy to record this video as it has many unique features like 3 product hover effects, 3 product page layouts, premium Elementor widgets, customizer theme options and unlimited colors. So if we talk about the demo website, it has 7 designed themes available. So you can say it has 7 pre-made website available with this Chromium WordPress theme, and you can choose any for your website, and all the websites are wonderfully crafted to present your content like products and all the text materials. So this is being one of the great website using Chromium WordPress theme, and it is of course for e-commerce activities, and it is showing all the features. This is basically and for used cars. You can use this theme for used cars, sale and purchase. So this is being the features. So used cars, minimum budget, you can say, and it has all the features what you need for your website. And really it is a very good WordPress theme, and it is good that you can make such a great website with just smaller or fewer effects. So this is being the search modules, and it is very good in fact. So I'll show you the listing as well. This is listing, and this theme works very fast in fact. And this is being the another website, and you can check the listings. Okay, so these are the listings, product listings, and you can see the speed, how fast it is really working. And this is being the third demo, and similarly all the demos are very good, and your content is going to shine with this theme. So let us begin the installation without any further delay. We have discussed a lot about the theme and the developers. So I have a fresh installation of WordPress, and the default 2021 WordPress theme has been installed in it, and this installation is running the latest version of WordPress, that is WordPress 5.8, and 2021 theme is there. And I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have Chromium directory and docs and licensing and the theme pack itself, so theme file itself, and we are going to use these files for our installation purpose. For installing the theme, we have to go in the appearance section and click on themes and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose chromium.zip. It is laying under Chromium folder, and under theme folder subfolder is theme. So choose the installable theme file carefully. Lot of people making this mistake that they are uploading the complete folder available in the theme pack itself, and they are getting the CSS missing error and all that. So choose the theme file correctly. It is under theme folder, that is chromium.zip. And if you have direct access on your server, you can upload the theme directly to WP content themes folder, and I am doing the same. I wish to show you in fact the theme file size, and you can upload the theme directly from the WordPress interface or directly at your server. So choice is yours. Both activities are same, and don't repeat the process. Either use this WordPress interface or you can upload directly to the server. So I have chosen to upload directly on server, and the theme file size is just 6.84 MB, and this is the prime indication that theme is well optimized. So I have seen on an average the theme file size remains 15 MB. Even the great themes are not such optimized like this one, the Chromium. And this is the beauty of Power Elite authors like the themes.zone. Okay, so they are making wonderful themes, of course. And yes, we have uploaded the theme using the file manager interface of hosting, and you can upload using the WordPress interface as well. So just go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Chromium folder, in which we got all the theme components, folders and files. Necessary files are here, so we can go back and delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space here if you are optimizing your server as well, so don't keep the waste files on your hosting. So Chromium folder is here, and now we are fine to go in the themes section of WordPress. Yes, we have another theme with the default theme. This is Chromium, and let us check the details. And this is Chromium version 1.3.26 by ThemesZone, and okay, so it is a premium auto parts shop WooCommerce theme, and now we can activate it simply. Upon activation, we got an alert that this theme needs certain plugins, and at this stage we need to install the listed plugins, suggested plugins, to use the complete features of this Chromium WordPress theme. So let us check what are the list of plugins, and only 2 plugins are required and rest are recommended. But yes, in order to use the complete function of this theme, you have to install all the plugins. Just in case if you don't want to use certain features or certain plugins like Max Mega Menu, MailChimp and Kirky Toolkit, so you can later deactivate and delete those plugins which you are not willing to use, and all inactive plugins should be removed from your installation. But at this stage I will recommend to install all the plugins what has been recommended and required. So there are 13 plugins, and 13 plugins including WooCommerce is here, because this theme is basically for e-commerce activity. So WooCommerce, I believe, is necessary plugin, and rest to Elementor. This theme uses Elementor as page builder, and this is of course a great page builder nowadays. So mostly site using the Elementor page builder. And the theme zone feature package itself from the developer's house, and it is necessary. So you can avoid to and skip to install the Ajax search for WooCommerce, but it is necessary, I believe. So you should use all these features. These plugins are going to bring wonderful features on your website. So I recommend to install all the plugins. So I am choosing to install all the plugins, all 13 plugins in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install plugin one by one to avoid any error during the installation process. And if you are ordering the Chromium WordPress theme at WP Themes website by following the link given in the description of this video, you shall be getting the same capacity server. If you choose the theme with pre-installed version or with the hosting plans, you shall be getting the same capacity server as you are watching on the screen. And you can see all 13 plugins has been installed in just few seconds. And now we can go back to the installer screen, and now at this stage we have to activate all the installed plugins. So just select all and select activate and apply. Okay, so now the plugins are being activated. Great. So all plugins has been installed and activated. Simply click on dashboard. Sometimes WooCommerce needs certain information like address and rest of the things, so it may redirect to the WooCommerce basic setup, and yes, it is redirecting to WooCommerce setup. And I am putting just sample line, and you have to put the original as applicable for you, and just complete the WooCommerce installation by following these steps. And that is the required process for WooCommerce. So you cannot skip, and it is not recommended to skip, because on later stage you have to complete this installation anyhow. So yes, it is so simple, and these recommended business features are not required in fact. And here you need to choose the continue with my active theme, that is Chromium, and it is important again. Okay, great. So now the WooCommerce installation is also complete, and now we are back on the dashboard, and now we have the installed theme and all the associated plugins which are required for using the complete features of theme. So let us check our website how it looks with the theme and plugins itself. So this is the basic look of Chromium WordPress theme, and it is of course without any content. This is why it is showing just a scratch or core look. And if you are in plan for making your own design, that means if you don't want to use any pre-made website like any of these, like 7 pre-made websites are available, you can start building your website scratch from here. You shall be getting the complete features of theme and associated plugins from this stage. And if you want to use your own design with your own wireframe, you can start building your website. But mostly WordPress is being used for pre-made websites, and people are using pre-made website just by putting their own content. So in this video we have to complete the installation of Chromium WordPress theme along with the demo content. So we shall proceed towards the demo content installation. So for importing the demo content, we have to go in the appearance section, and there is an option called import demo data. And yes, this is very important. So this message is very important, and you have to check all the credentials of your hosting, and it should be very adequate and proper before importing the demo content, and it is all mentioned here. So max upload size is 256 M, max input time and memory limit is also 256. So I always recommend for new developers or for any of the development of WordPress website that you should use a proper hosting plan depending upon your traffic, how much you are expecting traffic on your website. For new websites, you can have a very basic hosting as we are offering at WP Themes. For like if you are expecting 1000 visitors in a day, up to 1000 visitors, the offered hosting plan is very adequate and it comes on the very negligible price. So you can check the description and follow the link given in the description. You shall be getting all the information on the WP Themes website. And yes, I am saying that you have to check all the PHP settings and the recommended values which are required for the importing of demo content or running the website. So yes, and I am choosing the very first pre-made website considering the default one, and you can choose any for your website. It is very simple and you can choose as per your need and choice. Okay, so I am importing the very first one and clicking on import demo. Okay, so these are some recommendation, it is not required. And now import process of demo data has begun, and it may take up to 5 or 10 minutes even. So it depends upon your server capacity and the developer's server as well. So internet connectivity is also playing some role in this process. So you have to wait on this screen, and without refreshing or cancelling this tab, you can use another tabs meanwhile, and you can explore the features of Chromium WordPress theme, of course, and because you are going to get a wonderful website using this theme. And let the demo import process to be completed. And it is a great theme in fact. So what I seen, so this is being the reason why it has been selected to be on this channel. And WP Themes channel is bringing all the great WordPress themes, plugins and utilities for you. So if you are a new visitor on this channel, you may please subscribe this channel, because I always used to show you the actual picture of WordPress theme. And if you are choosing any theme, you should know what features you are going to get on your website, and what you can do with that particular theme. Because if you have decided to make a website and you are looking for a certain features, and you are selecting or looking a great theme, so import failed, and if there was a problem of your importing content, and I never hide anything during my installation videos. So this is why everything is on or is screen, and this is being the main reason of making such videos, that you should know all the steps and all the features what you are going to get with this theme. And this is the error thing which of course was not expected, but how we can cope with this. So I am simply checking the media files. If we got some media files, so it may be a false error. And yes, so we have already got 80 media files, so 80 images are already imported, and I believe so it is a false error 500. So What we can do for at this stage, just go back to the import demo data section, and we have to repeat the process in fact. So I'm just repeating the process, clicking on import demo data, and before repeating the process you should check the media files and pages. If you have got any pages, I believe pages has not been imported yet. Yes, and there is no pages, only first of all media files works, and in the demo content media files being imported first, and we can check the log as well. So what error it is showing, and it will show the same error I believe, so we can check at this stage. New ajax call before importing the content. Demo content Chromium that redux files, and redux files not defined, so this is the error, and we can so we can retry for importing the demo content, and again we are on the same screen, and I just clicked on the import demo. So I was saying that if you are choosing any theme, so you should know what features you are going to get on your website actually, because on later stage you cannot change the theme or layout instantly or very easily. So before choosing any particular WordPress theme, you need to know all the features which you are going to get at your website, and your developer, if you are a developer, it is very important what you are going to offer to your client, and in the proposal you can showcase and feature and mention all these features available in the theme. And if you are making a website for your own, so it is also very imperative to know that what you can do with the theme. So for both ends it is necessary to understand all the theme features, and this is being the motive of this video and all the videos at WP Themes website. So now I believe you have already subscribed this channel. Okay, so let us wait for the demo content to be completed, and finally we reached on this screen. So it is saying import complete, and there is just so import there is one media file error that is not so important, and your import completed, but some things you may not have been imported properly. But yes, we can check the media files, how many images we got in this demo import, and we can decide whether the import process has been completed or not. And I believe so. Okay, so there were 183 images provided in the demo. This is why it was taking time, and there is also log, error log, but meanwhile we can check the pages, what pages we have got in the demo. And yes, we have got 18 pages, so all 19 pages are here, and front page is also here. So we can now take a look of our website. So I believe the demo import is complete and nothing is remaining, and yes, the great website is here. And okay, so great, and this is of course a wonderful website. The complete website is here, and we have got all the features of the demo website, like certain things we just missed. Okay, let us check. The front page is here. Revolution slider is not here. This is why the complete image or the top portion, so hero portion, is not being displayed properly. So what we can do, we can check the theme pack, and so okay, so docs, Chromium directory licensing. Okay, and it is strange that this theme is using a revolution slider, as I can check. So rev slider alias, but In the recommended plugins, the revolution slider was not provided and it is not here. So the of course the revolution slider part remaining pending, but rest of things are here only. And so I believe somehow I need to check with the developers, so why the revolution slider has not provided or not recommended during the plugin installations. So yes, the outcome website is here and it is of course good, and we can remove the revolution slider part just in case, and it is going to work fine. And like edit with Elementor, so this theme uses Elementor, and I am going to show you the all the theme features and the customizer options after this stage. As we have completed the installation, somehow the revolution slider part is not important because this theme has not provided the revolution slider part, and it can be removed from here, and you can separately create revolution slider or just remove this item like this. So revolution slider part will be removed and you can add the hero slider at your own. It is very simple. And okay, so great. And now we have a complete website with us. Let us preview the website. And okay, so it is something like so this is being the outcome website, and it is wonderful of course, and all features and elements like the mega menus and all such features are working very fine. And we can check the pages and product listing as well. So this is being the product listing, and this is working good of course. Okay, great. So this is being the product listing, and we have got the complete images and features at our website, and everything is here. So a search module is also here. And now it is time to show you the theme features and basic customization options. So let us see what additional we got in this installation. So WCK is the new thing, and here we have got what is WCK, I don't know. So let us check. Welcome to WCK custom fields and custom post types created. Okay, so it is something like to create custom fields and post type creator, taxonomy creator, custom fields creator, and also things. WooCommerce is already here, and it is common that okay, so mega menu is also here. So I believe there is nothing like theme panel and all the customization options available under appearance tab. Yes, it is available. So header and footer builder, theme zone theme is here, Elementor sections, theme zone theme, and of course the customize option is here. So I will show you. This is the header shop, local shop header, and that means what we have installed as a demo content, and you can edit the header part from header footer template, and the Elementor sections are not being used. And this is the header template, and edit with Elementor will work here. Okay, so this is being the header part, and you can edit it very simply as you wish. And okay, I'll show you the customize options. So this is being the customize options, and let us see, theme options are here only. So this is being the theme options. In the theme options there is general option, auto parts swap style, and tool swap style, tire swap style. Okay, so it has options to choose the styles, and blog options are here. Gallery option, so you can change the text color and background hover. Header option is here, so custom header background can be enabled or disabled, and rest of settings have been given here. Footer options, so custom copyright section is here, so you can change the copyright section. And front page options, page layout, store options, product page options, cart and checkout options, and typography and colors. So we have all the controls of the website given in the customization section. And theme zone feature pack option is also here. There are social icons and rest of things. Menus being the common as in customizer, so home page setting, WooCommerce, and rest of things are common as in WordPress. Okay, so these are the options available with this theme, and of course we can make a wonderful website using the Chromium WordPress theme. And finally I am going to show you how to edit the page content. And for this, let us assume we are going to edit the home page itself. And at this stage, what I'll recommend you, if you are not very much familiar with the Elementor or WordPress, you should take a backup of home page at least using an duplicator plugin before editing this section, because you are finally going to customize your layout of website. So just click on the edit with Elementor after opening the page for which you want to edit the content, and you shall be able to edit the content using the Elementor page builder. It is very simple, and even a non-technical person can do this. Just click on the areas and the editable part will be available here. So it is very simple, and these sections are coming from the backend itself, so that is WooCommerce data. And okay, so these are the post settings and all such things are available here. And again, these are the data from the post and products. So you can simply edit all the sections as you need, and it is very effective, of course, and you are going to make a wonderful website, as I assume. Now I have shown you all the features available at the Chromium WordPress theme, and nothing is remaining at my side. But yes, you might have certain questions regarding this theme, so don't hesitate in asking any question in the comment section of this video, and you can also follow the link given in the description of the video to be directly in touch with me at WP Themes website. So yes, choice is yours, and you can get this theme by following the link along with the hosting plan, or pre-installed theme is also available. So everything is for you, and you are going to make a wonderful website. I know this, and your website is certainly going to be successful using the Chromium WordPress theme. Keep building, keep watching. Thank you.